Hey guys, how's it going? Here's a quick steps to add Facebook Pixel to Facebook ad. Go to the ads manager and log into Facebook ads manager, and then create or edit an ad campaign. Click create to start a new campaign, or select an existing campaign to edit and set up an ad set. In the ad set section, find the tracking option and then select your pixel and choose the Facebook pixel from the drop down menu under the conversion tracking or track events, and then save and continue. Complete the ad setup process and then click publish or save draft, and this will link your Facebook pixel to the ad campaign, allowing you to track conversions and optimize performance. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.